Alright, and here's your tutorial for the payment details. I don't know about you, but when I get really busy, I always want to make sure, because for a while there I was like, who paid me what, and when did they pay me, and how did they pay me, and if somebody needs their money back because of a world pandemic, how do I pay them back, and all that kind of stuff. So this is how you're going to keep track. Okay, so a minute ago on the order tracker, I told you that all these names that were there that I had on the books were going to appear here magically. And so here's the Darby wedding. I did not put that there. It appeared because it was from the order tracker, okay? Same thing here. This was the quote I gave her, and that came from the order tracker. So it's not yellow. You don't have to put that there. Only things that are yellow are what you're going to put in here. So you can see this lady has paid me a deposit. This is the date she paid me on. If you click it twice, you'll get a calendar. And then when you put in your accepted payments, it will appear here. So all of these payments are choices, so you'll know, okay, you're going to choose Venmo for that one. So it tells me she's paid $190. She still owes $192.54. And when August 17th rolls around, this is going to turn red to tell me it's 1 month out, you need to get that last payment. So you can see here that Darby, this was her quote. This is all fictitious. This was her quote. If she hasn't paid me anything, so it says over here she's paid me nothing and she still owes the whole amount. So as soon as she gives me a deposit, I'm going to put it here just like I did for this one. If you did happen to do a rental of a stand or something and you got a refundable deposit, that will automatically show up here, and that's just to remind you, oh, okay, 3 days after the wedding, I better, when they gave me that stand back and it was in good shape, I need to give them this much money back. And then if there was a credit card fee or a PayPal fee or some kind of a fee associated with that payment, you're going to put it right here. So that is yellow on your version. I don't have it yellow on mine, but if it's yellow, you can put something in it. So this is basically how you keep track of who's paid you what and when they paid you and how they paid you. And it goes attached to the wedding or the event, not by the month that you get paid. The way you keep track of when you were paid is this section right here. So that's pretty simple. You can see that each month is divided the same way it was on the order tracker, so you can quickly look for things. And I'm going to show you a cool little trick. So it's April now, so I don't really care to see all this stuff that happened in January, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight all of these until today's date, which is April something. Okay, so let's just say it's we'll just go ahead and go to the beginning of May. Well, let's go to right here. Okay, so all of those are highlighted. Now you just right click and you can hide all those rows that you highlighted. So they're all gone, and you can see here these little triangles show you those are hidden. So if you want to unhide them, you just click on it right there. But now okay, it's already April. May, you can see there's nothing on the docket because of the issues that we're having with no traveling and no gathering together. But you can just hide these rows as the time passes, and then you don't have to worry about it. You can do the same thing down here on the order tracker if you want to, or on anything if you just want to get rid of things that are not necessarily needing to be in your vision right at that moment. So you'll also notice here that this one is not linked to anything. This one is linked to something. That was because on the order tracker, I'll go ahead and just show you on the order tracker what I did. I went ahead and I just linked these that have the underlines, the link pops up, to their actual costing master. So you don't have to go down here and look through all your costing masters for that particular one. If you just add this as a link, it quickly will take you to its costing master. Okay, so how do you do that? All right, let's find one that's not done. Let's do the one in May. So this one, I'm going to go Insert, Link, and then it's going to bring up these options. You're going to choose Sheets in this spreadsheet, and then you're going to choose it. I bet I named it Eliza Tasting. Okay, well maybe I did not give her a sheet. So at any rate, if I could find hers, you'd go ahead and click on that exact one, okay? And then you would just click apply, and then the next time you saw this, it would have a link to it just like this one does, to its actual cost master with all of its particular details. Okay, so that is the payment details tutorial. I hope that helped you. If you have any questions, you know you can always email me. Just look in the instructions tab and my email information is there. Thank you. Bye.